Kingston and St. Andrew, we're invading your way. This Saturday, February 4, it's the RJ Arglina Communications Group Cross Country Invasion 2017 Sports Day at the Jesse RuPaul Primary School. Come out with the entire family for a full day of fun and excitement. Football, netball, domino competition, and lots of prizes and surprises. It's the RJ Arglina Communications Group Cross Country Invasion 2017 Sports Day. Come feel the power of 12 plus. The RJ Arglina Communications Group Cross Country Invasion 2017, brought to you by Victoria Mutual Building Society, Guardian General Insurance, Breeze, Fidelity Motors, Homemade Biscuits and Snacks, First Heritage Cooperative Credit Union, Cool Rides, Comfort, Digicel Foundation, Cal's Manufacturing, Heart Trust NTA, and ClickMarketOnline.com.